I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Well, hello there, and welcome to another exciting edition of Kip Does Stuff. When I say exciting edition, I mean, well, exciting to me, not to you. I found an old pair of pliers in my old S10 pickup. I've really never looked behind the seat, just a work truck. So I'm going to see if I can try to get them to function once again.
Okay, so I found this pair of pliers in the back of my 1995 Chevy S10 pickup. The truck is rough, and I haven't really gone through it until today. So I think I'm going to try to refurbish these. I'm not going to refinish, rebuild, or make them perfect. I'm just going to see if I can make them move again, and maybe actually be a pair of pliers again. So, get some wire brushes, some 3-in-1 oil, and see what we can do with it. And I'm going to cut this stupid first tie off there. Looks like 3-in-1 oil will start to do its trick. Still going to need a lot of cleaning. Let's move over to the bench press, or not the bench press. Let's move over to the bench grinder. Okay, did a little bit on the bench grinder. I'm going to try some with this little Dremel style too. I don't have a lot of faith in it. It's very underpowered. I can stall a lot, but we'll try this little flat wheel. See how it does. Okay, I figured the Dremel wasn't going to be very good at doing anything. It's very underpowered, and despite the hundreds and hundreds of adapters and pieces I got for it, nothing's worth a crap. So I'm just going to rely on some bits of sandpaper and some oil. Okay, so here it is, an hour or so of cleaning. I didn't do a lot of work on them because they're just a pair of pliers I found in my truck. But just a little bit of grease, or excuse me, oil, and the slide part works just fine. Got to use some brake cleaner to clean all the oil out of there afterwards, and this thing works just fine. Tried taking the nut off, but the mushroom head on here was just too much work, so I just pound it back down again. You don't have a lot of loose play in them anyway. The teeth in them are pretty good still. They're probably only about 6 or 8 years old. Just whoever bought them, and it did take very good care of them. Threw them back to that truck and forgot about them. I cleaned the handles up a little bit, but not a lot because it really doesn't matter. And now I think I'm going to add this to my collection.